Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl your hair but with a straightener. It is a little bit tricky but it is easy. Eventually I just try to explain it quite well in the video and I really hope I did. And normally to curl my hair with a straightener it takes me like 20 minutes to the max, like 15-20 minutes, but I am explaining a lot of things and I'm clearing out a lot of things in the video, so that is why it took me a little bit longer. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm just gonna detangle my hair, and this is the comb from Miniso. And now I'm going to be using a hair serum, and I'm going to be using the Matrix Biolage hair serum. This is the deep smoothing serum. I really like this serum because it really controls frizz and it really smoothens the hair. I'm just going to take like 2 to 3 drops, not too much. Like you can actually see the difference. This side is really like shiny and literally frizz free, and it just feels very smooth compared to this side. Okay, so now what you need to do is just to use like both of your thumbs and then just put it right here, like where your ear starts, and then just divide the hair like this, and now just clip this upper part of the hair away from the bottom part, and now just divide the bottom hair into 2 sections. Okay, so this is the Ikonic S3 straightener, and I really like this one because Ikonic in specific is a really good brand for heating products, like products for hair basically, and it just gives the least amount of heat damage. Obviously there is gonna be some damage because you know it is heat, but this brand in specific is really like good quality and it gives the least amount of heat damage, because I've also used Philips hair straightener and I've also used the Ikonic, and it is like the major difference. Okay, like even in straightening, when I straighten from this the Ikonic one, it just gives the most smoothest finish and the most like extremely straight finish, you know. And when I use the Philips one, my hair just gets frizzy in like 30 minutes, like straightening is completely gone. Okay, so this machine has got these like temperature things. It starts from 130 all the way up to 230. Look, yeah. And when you like press this button, it starts, like the green light comes here, and I usually keep it at 190. That is why it is set on 190. But this is the plus and this is the minus. So plus you can go like upwards and minus you can go downwards. I keep it at 130 for my hair, sorry, on 190 for my hair, so that is why it is set right here. And now I'm just gonna let it heat for maybe like 30 seconds. Okay, so what you need to do is just to pick a little piece of like a little piece of hair or a little strand, whatever, and now just drag the straightener like this halfway only, just to like give it a clean look from the roots. Just drag it 3 to 4 times so that it becomes clean and neat, and the 4th time just drag it downwards. And what you need to do is just to like make a circle basically. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. It is like this. Twist the wand, sorry twist the straightener like this, make a circle with your strand, and now just drag it. And always keep in mind to hold the strand like this from the bottom to give it a nice tight curl. Look. I really I really like it. It's really nice. And this is actually a tight curl, but if you want a curl which is a little bit looser than this, what you need to do is again grab a piece of hair or strand, whatever you want to say it, clean it right here 3 to 4 times. Now just drag it and make only one circle like this. We made 2 circles for this tight curl, right? So just make only one circle and now just drag it very like loosely, basically. Not too much, not too loosely, because then it won't curl only, but just a little bit. See? Okay, so there's difference between this strand and where is it? See? Both are like different curl. This is more of a loose curl and this is more of a tight curl. And I like both of them honestly, but I just prefer tight curl because it just stays longer. Again, just take one strand, drag it 3 to 4 times like this, curl your hair, like circle your hair, then circle the straightener, then again circle the straightener and circle the hair. Okay, it's not happening because my hair is short, but yeah. And now just continue. Also, this is only for the bottom hair because while doing like the top section of the hair, you have to like style it in a way that it frames your face nicely and it just suits it. And I'm gonna show you what you need to do when we get there.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, dripping light.
Okay, so as now both the sides are complete and curled, and now I'm just gonna put the hair in the back, not to merge with this one. Just divide it into 2 sections like this. And now for the front section till your ear, just put them behind your ear. Again, not to merge it with the crown section of your hair. And also please divide your hair equally. Like now, as you can see, it is not even. Like okay, now taking just a strand again, cleaning the root, and now dragging it towards the length of the hair.
Lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
I'll tell you how to like frame your face. So whenever like you curl your hair, right? So there are like 2 types of curl. One which comes like inwards, like you know, like this basically. This is an inside curl. Like you see, this is curling inside, like inside spiral kind of thing. And what we need for like the front part of the hair is to curl it outwards like this, you know, so that it just frames your face like this. Because it just when your hair is curled outwards, it just looks very fresh, and it just looks very clean on your face as well. Like the whole focus is on your face, also on your hair, but more on the face, and it just looks very nice and neat and clean basically when your hair is pushed outwards. I may not be explaining it very well, but you get it. So for that, what you need to do is, and this is only for the left side, okay? Right side is completely different because the direction is different. I'll have to like explain it in some other way for this one. So just leave the right side for now and focus on the left side. So just take a stand, left side, okay? Always remember left side. Again, just drag it like this for 3 to 4 times. And now what you need to do is basically you're holding the straightener like this. You have to hold it like this, like upside down, and just do it like this and curl it outwards. Like I'm gonna show you again. This is the straightener. We used to curl it like this, right? You can go back and see in the video. What you need to do now is to circle it or like twist it like this, like upwards basically. And now you need to drag it. So you see it gave that outward curl. Always twist away from your face for an outward curl. Just remember that for the left side. I am repeating this again and again because when I was a kid and when I was figuring all this out, I just had no one to, you know, explain all this so like clearly and everything. And I did many mistakes, and it was just horrible. To this point, like to this time also, I cringe on myself a lot. I have done major beauty mistakes in the past. I still do sometimes, but then I eventually figure out, because now I know like I have YouTube and Google, and also my cousin is a makeup artist. My 2 cousins are makeup artists, so it is of great help.
You make me move. You make me move. You make me move.
Okay, so this is the one side all complete, and if in case you're wondering about these baby hairs that I have, what I always do is I just straighten them, because these baby hairs can't be curled. Like it won't it is practically impossible to like twist the wand with the baby hair. I'll literally burn myself. So I just don't even try to do it.
You make me.
Okay, so now comes the front side for the right side. Okay, so the right side is the easiest to do, and it's probably my favorite side to do in terms of like curls and like curling. What you need to do is you just have to curl it, like just like you are doing now. Wait. Like just grab a strand, clean the roots, drag it, and then just curl it, because I'll tell you why. Wait. Okay, so remember when I told you while doing this side that always like twist the straightener away from your face for left side, for an outward curl. So here, as it is right side, and what we are doing, wait, and normally what we are doing is like this. So it's literally away only, like you don't need to do anything for the right side. Just curl like you've been doing the rest of your hair. It naturally goes away from your face only for the right side. And it took me months to figure out this thing, because when I started playing with straighteners and everything, I was very young. I was in like 5th or 6th grade maybe, and I was just too young. So for the left side, always curl away from your face, and for the right side, always curl in the normal direction that you will.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Okay, so these are the curls all complete, and I really love how they look. And I really hope I was able to explain everything to you guys quite well and clearly. And I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you would wish to see from me next. Also subscribe to my channel down below. I would really love if you come along with my YouTube journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care, bye.